Are you currently using ChatGPT or other AI to create books for KDP? If so, you may be aware that KDP have now introduced a new field in relation to AI-generated content. Here it states Amazon is collecting information about the use of artificial intelligence tools in creating content. You will now need to answer yes or no as to whether or not you are using AI in your text, images, or translations in your book. If you're not using AI-generated content, you simply select no and move on. If you have used AI-generated content, you will need to select yes and then provide information as to what content you have used. This field takes you through text and lists some sections with minimal or no editing, some sections with extensive editing, entire work with minimal or no editing, entire work with extensive editing. Then under images, one or a few generated images with minimal or no editing, one or a few AI generated images with extensive editing, many AI generated images with minimal or no editing, or many AI generated images with extensive editing. And lastly, translations, some sections with minimal or no editing, some sections with extensive editing, entire work with minimal or no editing, entire work with extensive editing. So why is KDP collecting this information? If we click on the blue text here, Amazon states we define AI-generated content as text, images, or translations created by an artificial intelligence-based tool. You agree to adhere to our KDP content guidelines as part of the terms and conditions of your participation in the KDP self-publication and distribution program. When you select the type of AI content you have used, you are then required to provide further information with regards to what tools you have used. For example, ChatGPT is listed, and you would list other AI tools or software that you have used to generate your AI content. The same applies with images and your translations. So as per that definition, AI tools are not just limited to ChatGPT. Any tool that will assist you in the creation of content, it will be considered as an AI tool. And that includes tools like Google Translate. So now let's click on the KDP content guidelines. There is now a section in relation to artificial intelligence content. So under that heading, artificial intelligence content, text, images, and translations, it states, we require you to inform us of AI-generated content, text, images, or translations when you publish a new book or make edits to and republish an existing book through KDP. AI-generated images include cover and interior images and artwork. You are not required to disclose AI-assisted content. We distinguish between AI-generated and AI-assisted content as follows. So if you're using AI to assist you in your content, you're not required to disclose that information. It's only when you use AI-generated content to create your book. And this is outlined further below. AI-generated. We define AI-generated content as text, images, or translations created by an AI-based tool. If you used an AI-based tool to create the actual content, whether text, images, or translations, it is considered AI-generated, even if you applied substantial edits afterwards. AI-assisted, if you created the content yourself and used AI-based tools to edit, refine, error check, or otherwise improve that content, whether text or images, then it is considered AI-assisted and not AI-generated. If you used an AI-based tool to transform and generate ideas, but ultimately created the text or images yourself, this is also considered AI-assisted and not AI-generated. it is not necessary to inform us of the use of such tools or processes. And lastly, it states, you are responsible for verifying that AI generated and or AI assisted content adheres to all content guidelines. For example, to confirm an AI-based tool did not create content based on copyright works, you're required to review and edit any AI tool outputs. So what does this all mean? Why is Amazon KDP now requiring you to provide this information? While that's not totally clear, there have been quite a number of books that have been solely generated using AI. You only have to go on YouTube to see a number of creators showing you quick ways to generate books using AI. Books created solely using AI may provide a poor customer experience. And as you can see, that would be in breach of the Amazon content guidelines. You need to provide quality books when creating content for KDP. This is no doubt a way for Amazon to check that you are being honest in your creation of your books. We don't know at this stage if your books will be rejected if you indicate that the whole book has been created by using AI. I will provide an update when I find out more. For more information, watch this video where I show you how to use AI the correct way for KDP. I've always stated you should use AI to assist you in creating your book and not to rely solely on AI to provide you with full content. AI content can be easily checked with other online tools, and I'm sure KDP have their own way of checking. It would be very dangerous to check the no box if you have in fact used AI to generate your book. However, using tools like Grammarly and other tools that can assist you with your grammar and your writing has been determined as AI assisted. And as stated in the guidelines, any work that has been AI assisted does not have to be disclosed. So Amazon are fairly clear with what they require here in relation to your use of AI. I recommend that you be honest when completing this field, otherwise your account could be terminated. So I hope you found this video helpful. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Wombat Coaching. I will see you in the next video.